Hey, my name is Rohit Patel. We have multiple practices in New York. We've been working with Xpress Promotion for the last 3 to 4 years. And amazingly, the results are phenomenal. Our presence on the web and on the medias, social medias, is phenomenal. The success rate is tremendous. We have gained tons of kind of leads and patients coming in. And I mean, like if you want the Xpress results, go to Xpress Promotion. Don't look at anybody else. Go to Xpress. That's the place to go. That's your social media marketing people. They are the actual promotion and marketing company, which has complete package, where your mailings, your internet, your websites, your social medias, everything is under one roof. Yes, go for it.